Hi everybody, this is Miss Pickard here, and I'm going to go over a few reminders when solving word problems and some things we need to do. We're going to read the problem the first time. Coach Luna had 8 softballs. She gave 5 of the balls to Cedric. How many softballs did the coach have then? Okay, so then the second time I'm going to read it, I'm going to circle my information. So Coach Luna had 8 softballs. She gave 5 of the balls to Cedric. How many softballs did the coach have then? I'm going to underline my question sentence, so the sentence that has the question mark at the end. Okay? She gave. Gave is a key word there. If I'm giving something away, am I getting bigger or smaller? Okay, so we need to ask ourselves, am I getting bigger or smaller? I'm getting smaller if I gave, so I'm going to subtract. I'm going to write my information down, 8 and 5. I'm going to stack them on top of each other. Then I'm going to write my correct operation symbol, okay? And I can use my number chart or my fingers, however I need to do it. I have 8, and I'm going to take away 5, and that leaves me 3. So how many softballs did the coach have then? She had 3 softballs. And I'm going to circle my answer. Okay? That's a good subtraction word problem. Let's see. Let's look at 5B. Read it first, and then go back, circle my information, and ask myself what it's talking about. Look for any keywords that may be in there, okay? Kimberly had 14 magnets and 7 rulers. Jordan gave her 4 more magnets. How many magnets did Kimberly have then? Okay, so I'm going to go back and circle my information. 14 magnets, 7 rulers, 4 more magnets. Okay? Now it says, I'm going to underline my question, how many magnets did Kimberly have then? What is it asking for? It's asking for magnets, isn't it? So do I need rulers? Nope, that's just extra information. So I'm going to write down what I have. I have 14 magnets and 4 magnets. More. She gave 4 more. So is that going to be, I'm going to ask myself, am I adding or subtracting? Am I getting bigger or smaller? If I gave her 4 more magnets, more, I'm getting more, so I'm getting bigger, so I'm going to add. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and split that up. I'm always going to start in my ones place and add over there first. So 4 plus 4 is 8, or if I'm doing the touch math, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I go to my tens place. I don't have anything here, so I can either pretend to write a 0 or write a 0 or pretend there's a 0. 1 plus 0 is just 1. So I now have 18 magnets. Okay? So don't let that extra information trip you up. Same thing with multiplying and dividing. If you're there, ask yourself, are you getting bigger or smaller? When you read your question, am I getting more? Am I getting less? Am I splitting it and getting smaller? Then I divide. If I'm getting more, I'm multiplying. So if I am using all 4 operations, if I'm not sure, I'm going to write all 4 down. This side's bigger, this side's smaller. Okay? If I'm going evenly, bigger or smaller, I'm going to know it's multiply or divide, or if that keyword each is in there for multiplying and dividing. But if you're first, second grade, we don't have to worry about those multiplying and dividing symbols yet. Just stick with your adding and subtracting. But we do want to remember that there's more there than just adding and subtracting. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know.